How are you, students? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to learn past perfect tense. This is my student Muhammad Aram Khalizai. Okay, Aram. First of all, we know about the structure of past perfect tense. What is the structure of past perfect tense? First, we write subject plus head plus third form of verb. Okay, then object, past perfect tense. This is past perfect tense structure. Subject, head plus third form of verb, then object. Now look at the example. There is a subject. Now put had. They had gone. Okay, gone is the third form of go. Go, very good. They had gone to Lahore. They had gone to Lahore. Now, how we made the negative of this? They had not. That
Gone.
very good. Not gone to. And how we make interrogative? Had को आपने start कर लगा देना.
Yes.
Had they gone to Lahore? Now second sentence. I had eaten the meal. I had eaten the meal. I had not eaten the meal. This is a past perfect tense.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.